Lederhosen are ready.
It'll be crap for us, Patrick, to start with before we get to the pen, so we won't know what's going on. Here we go.
It started.
Yeah.
Everybody's on the grass for me.
Yes, yeah.
It's bad, isn't it, Silas? Yeah. Everybody's on the grass. They've all cut the corner. Oh, look at that.
No wheels. No wheels are moving. Nobody's pedaling. We're all just moving forward.
Go on. It'll come back in there.
Watch out, concern.
What the hell's going on now? There we go.
Right, we're off. We're underway.
Everybody stopped at the junction.
That was weird.
Road safety.
Safety first, exactly.
Yeah, this is easy stuff.
Never done half of what in the first kilometre before in a race.
Have they got steering on some of them? Yeah.
Get kids on, yeah, one of them only. He's the only one. The steering.
No, oh no, that's me. Oh, whoops. Fuck's sake.
Oh no.
Sorry.
Oh dear.
Oh dear me. Right, that's me muted.
That was a dry Martin.
Yeah, nice and steady, Martin. Nothing going to happen down this bit.
Tiny little bump, right? Come in 2.2k, so just be aware, but it's nothing.
Yeah.
And then you've got nothing then until 5.2k. And then you're going a little rise, and then that's the lap banner.
And there's the power up on all the sprint runners and the lap runner.
Yeah. Atkins, we push in. Go with him, Dougie. Go, Martin.
That's it, Martin, well done. That's good.
Just testing you.
Yeah. That's it, Ben and Chris, you're going to have to just, that's it. You can't let that go away.
Very good. This is got them chasing you.
Sit in there. That's nice. That's good. You're three, you're fine. This is the little rise I was talking about. That's it. Same as last night then, yeah?
Oh.
You were brilliant last night. Jazzy, you were awesome as well, so same again.
That's my wheel, Dougie. Yeah, my wheel. At the back, just let the other team do the work if they want to
Right.
bridge the gap.
Yep, that's it.
It's not much, but everything you can save, it's we'll have that for later. They look like they're trying to bridge a bit.
They are. But you're going downhill.
One pushing forward, one move with them. I think they're fine. Nice.
Once you
Walk
get
off
in,
the back.
Okay, easy.
yeah, boys. Once you get there, once you start closing in, you feel yourself closing in, just do easy.
Yeah. He's not far enough at the back, so not worth it to push here.
No, it's early. Yeah, no one's getting dropped here, mate. No one's
No.
getting dropped.
Not on the downhill.
Just watch Fricker, he's coming through. No, he's knocked it off. If you're comfortable there, Dazza, that's okay at 2.5, that's comfortable, and you, Martin. But you can always drop back and sit in the draft if you need to, but if you're comfortable, that's fine. That's really good, that is, Martin. That's perfect. No more than that. You're just making them realise they're not getting away. Beautiful stuff. .600 metres to the lap banner. We've got a little rise. Not too much, just a little bit. Watch him going away. Okay, Martin, you can back that up, that's perfect. Just matching his numbers, Martin, don't let him do any, don't go in front of him, just don't let him gap you. Beautiful. As long as he's doing more numbers than you, he's soon going to get fed up with that. Looking good. Keep our eye on Dean pedal. He's taking it really easy since out of the back. So he might be trying to save some energy for a little bit of a spurt. All looking good. Really well marshalled. Tiny little rise coming up. Just a little pimple, nothing.
In that bed.
Beautiful.
I think 3 or 4 of them have like around a 10 watt per kilo sprint. The one with the lower sprint is Barry Van Jaarsveld. Is there a guy like that there? Could be. Yeah, Barry.
Yeah,
so Barry is.
yeah.
He's not the sprinter of this group, but he's got a higher 20-minute then instead.
200 minutes or 20? They said
20.
20. Watch out not to get
Somebody riding
gone.
through pedal. Here goes pedal. Here goes
Okay,
pedal.
watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, we're good.
Thank you, well done, Martin. Beautiful again.
There's the next power up, like a kilometer or so.
Yeah.
700 metres.
It's a sprint.
Not far, not far.
640 metres.
I've got a burrito to let go of.
They move in front of them and
Right, you've got a little climb coming now.
yeah, team move up if someone wants to let off a
3%.
burrito at the back. Okay, they're at the back, so you can.
Move up.
That's nice, that's nice. He's going, he's going, he's going, he's going, he's
Okay.
going. I need someone to
Go
follow.
get him.
Both of you can go.
Watch up, Ben.
Ben's got him, he's knocked it off. He's going to knock it off.
Oh, he's steering.
Oh. Yeah. Come on, Martin, you need to go, Martin, you need to come with me, mate. Come on, please. Let's go. I know it's hard. I need you there, mate. Well done, Gaza.
Okay, team, move, move, move.
Well done.
One more to the front, I think they're three. One more to the front, one
Yeah,
more to the
come on,
front. Go,
come
go,
on,
go,
come on.
go.
I need one more. Well done, Ben. Let's go, let's go. If anybody chases Ben, you've got to go.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Guys at the back, let them do the work.
Feeling terrible.
I can't. I know it's hard, I can't have that guy up the road. Come on. One of you. If you can.
Guys, I do have it. It's pretty flat here.
Right.
Okay, I think one more is
Sit
moving.
in the wheel, Ben. It's dead flat, mate. It's dead flat. You've got this, boys. I know it's difficult, Gaza. That's it. It's all coming back, guys. If you keep going, they're going to chase you.
Come on, Doug. You got it. Keep going, keep going.
Well done. Just pop the burrito again. What's the one coming over the top?
Okay, nice. All together.
Doogie. Come
You
on.
got it, Doug. Yeah, you got the wrap already. Perfect.
Come on, Dougie, you're in.
Also
You're in.
already as
Come on.
well.
Little bit more, Dougie. You're in. Right, easy off, Dougie. Easy off. Save your energy. Easy off. Easy. Easy. Good lad. Brilliant, that is, mate. Brilliant.
Okay, so thing is, they will make us chase now. So
Yeah.
you'll have to decide if one goes or yeah, then we try to rotate at the front maybe.
Yeah.
It looks like they want to chase.
Well done. Well done. You're making them work at the back as well.
Okay, one's pushing hard. Watch out. Oh, he might just get back, yeah.
Well done.
He's going down.
One left.
Power up coming soon. New one.
Come on, guys, come on.
If you got a power up, use it.
Look, Daniel now, Daniel to the right. So you can rest, you'll rest in. You'll make it, Barry's having to work here. Okay, guys? So,
Okay, watch out, burritos. Go, go, go.
everybody's low. Everybody's feeling exactly the same as you are. Okay? This is just,
guys.
this is war of attrition, this is, guys. Yeah? Nobody wants to be the best man. Come on, come on. I'm telling you, you've got this. I know what you can all do. Everybody is tired. You're all back in again. Look, you've done it again. This won't carry on. This can't carry on. So you've just got to dig in for as long as you can. Okay?
Go. They're pushing it.
The next guy's
Great
Nice
power
one.
up, whoever that is.
Slows them all down. Good job.
I know it's really difficult, but you've got to work together. Do not let pedal get too far away. Okay? He can't do. Let's have a look. He's working at 102%, right? He cannot do this for much longer. Rebal is minus 1.4. So, if you keep it at that, he cannot carry on for much longer. He's going to drop back. So, no, it's really difficult. Come on.
Spin. Halfway between ventilator hook, full power.
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. One's going, two's going. Off the bench. I need someone to go with Fricker. Well done, Ben.
Not quite sure how long I can.
You've just got to keep going. You're going to keep going.
Okay, watch out. One's
Wilson.
going hard.
Wilson's going.
More of them are pushing it, so if you can, just go, go, go. Good job, guys. Nice bridge.
Burrito from the back. Watch out, Chris.
yeah. Thanks.
Okay, good job, guys.
Well done.
Keep it steady until
Right.
we get to the front. Come on, Dougie. Keep pushing for a bit. Almost together. We'll
Another
slow
one.
down, right?
Another
It's
one.
in, Dougie. It's in, Dougie. Slow down, Dougie. Just soft
Okay.
pedal, Dougie. Soft pedal. 3.5 will do. Yeah.
One's
Well
pushing.
done.
One's pushing on the front, so someone follow.
Chris, you need to.
Come on, boys. Well done.
Okay, watch the gaps.
Come to me. Basket drop.
It's easy, it's easy. It's all coming back. One's going through the front. Atkins is going again. This is downhill now. Right, come on, come on, come on. Well done. This is okay. It's okay. If he wants to do that, let's have a look at him.
Two going.
It's okay.
Okay, so we just have to counter these and be careful not to drop anyone.
There you go. Leave him out there, Limit. That's a group, you're quicker. Right, just leave
Yep.
him out there, Ben. Just drop it back, Ben. Whatever. You've taught him, leave him out now. Leave him out there. That's quicker. Quicker's going now.
Yeah, next one.
This is all they're going to do to you, and you have to take it in turns to respond. Pedals going too. Well done.
Perfect.
Once you get into this routine, you're going to be okay.
Yeah, getting
Well
some
done,
going.
Chris. That's fantastic, Chris. That is.
Nice. Okay, watch out. More will follow.
That's another fantastic move. Whoever's just covered that, that's a lovely move. Well done. This is great, guys. Now, finding your jobs. Fantastic. Sit, Dougie. Sit. Sit, Dougie. That's enough. Good lad. Beautiful.
It's on you, Chris.
Can't hold this long.
Yeah. You've got it. I'm telling you, Chris. You've got that. You've got. Once you're there, you know you've got 70, 80 watts, 90 watts draft. You're in. You're in. Brilliant. Hold up. Hold up. Don't go past. Sit on him now. Beautiful.
Nice, Chris. You got this.
Fantastic
You got
catch, mate. Absolutely.
Power up
fantastic.
in
Well
about
done.
500 meters. So start thinking about using your old one if you got it.
This is easy for you now, Chris. Look at that. 3.1. That's all you've got to do to stay with this guy. Lovely. Well done, Chris. Look at the energy you're saving, mate.
Okay, one's moving. Go, 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 go. Go back, group.
Yeah, coming through, coming through. Come on, one. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Well done, Ben. Oh,
Good job.
you've
That's a
all
short
done
run.
Fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic, guys.
Okay, you're punishing them now. They're all off the back.
Yeah.
Dougie, slow down a little bit.
Slow
Stay
down,
behind them.
Dougie.
Just behind them.
Lots of draft now, Dougie. Now you've got to work the draft. Okay, mate?
Perfect. You got this. Good job, guys.
Well done. Go on, Martin. Go on, Martin. That's your draft there. That's your draft. Go on. One coming through. One coming through.
Look at my heart rate.
Quicker.
I'm not in good shape.
It doesn't matter. You're fine. You're fine.
Oh, you come in. You come in.
Martin.
Come on, Dougie. Push, push, push. Use power up if you can.
That's great, Martin. And
Okay,
watching
so-
you, I've got you.
Let them do the work at the front.
Stop working. Stop working, Martin. Stop working.
Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, good job. Good job, Dougie.
You sit on it.
Just take it easy.
Come on, Doug. Yeah, that's fine, mate. They get it. You might even come back in, Dougie. Just keep working at it.
Push on the front. Burrito at the back.
Go, Martin. Get past that burrito, Martin. Come on.
Push, push, push.
Once you're there, once you pass,
Good job.
You're in.
You
That's
got
fine.
it. Okay, easy, easy,
Rest,
easy.
rest.
Aero at the back.
One's going a bit harder again. Oh, not too hard.
It's not.
No.
He thought we were going through, so he triggered it.
Yeah.
Another little lump come in.
Yeah.
Push on the front. He's eased.
He's pushing again. A bit.
Surging.
Slow down.
He's surging. He's trying to get us to go.
Yeah. Yeah, don't fall for it. We'll shout when you need to go. Okay, uphill. Increase. Okay, one's going 6 watts per kilo. 2 going. Come on, push. Me 2 at front. Okay, let them chase. Job.
Come on.
You got this.
Martin, you've got 100 watts of draft there, mate. You're fine. Come on, just keep plugging
Attack.
at it.
Go. One's going. They're trying to bridge. Go. Do not let them there. Not alone anyway.
Well done, Martin. That's fine. Come on, mate.
Go, guys. You got this. Perfect. Oh, he just messed it up for his teammate there. Come on, you got this, guys. Keep going. Nice one, Ben.
Go past Ben. That's lovely, mate. Well done.
Nice.
Now you're making him. You're making him run. Come on. You're all right.
Okay, one's coming hard. Watch out, Ben. Atkinson again. And the other guy.
Come on.
What's the distance left? Anyone got it?
8.
1, 2.
8 watts.
Perfect.
Push.
Go.
Someone's got
Well
it.
done. Well done, boys.
Keeps going up and down here, so be careful. Nice one, man.
Here we
One's
go. You've got
bridging.
the draft then. You've got the draft then.
One other guy moves up. Follow him.
Sit up then.
Got anything, Dazza?
Don't go past him. Unless his mate goes. If he goes, you go. You know, he's sat up as well. Right,
so
give
right
everybody a chance to recover. So we're going down here.
Next power up soon, I guess. I think.
Yeah. In about 1K, I think.
Everybody's feeling the same, I'm telling you now. Do not think that they are stronger than you, because they are not.
Okay,
You,
so
you boys have been here.
yeah, essentially you just need to stay on for as long as possible. and you'll have to try it on the sprint to the finish line.
Oh, nice.
Guys, you boys, you've been here before. You've done this before. You know the score. Yeah.
I know the drill.
This team is not unbeaten for so long for no reason. Yeah. So you dig in there. This is where you dig in.
Okay, so they stop with the attacks, it seems. See when they will go next time.
They're going to go on the rise.
Yeah.
In a minute. Go.
Yep.
Low.
Yeah, so 400 meters
reps.
about. So be careful. Maybe get a power up for that. If you need it, use it. Because you will need to stay on to the finish. So that's the main
Power of the
objective.
race.
Go.
Everyone's moving front to the front.
Atkins is going.
On chase. Good job. Okay, bump here.
This is your little one. It's not too much. You can all do this. Come on.
Okay, one's increasing a bit. I think you got it. Yeah, you got it. No problem.
360 meters to the top, and then with downhill. Come on. Keep pushing. Go on, Martin. Come on, mate. This is beautiful. I know you've got this in you.
Really appreciate it.
Come on, mate. Don't talk to me. Just push hard.
That's what she said.
Well done, Ben. You're done. At the top.
Nice, Chris.
That is so annoying, Chris.
Okay,
when you're
one's
just
going.
sat there.
Watch out, Ben.
Come on, Ben. Up we go, Ben. Up we go. Matching it.
They slow right down. Just be careful. Someone's pushing it. Yeah, one's increasing.
Watch
Bit,
out for
at
the
least.
reverse.
Okay, downhill now, and remember it goes back up. Not a big hill, but anyway.
Same again.
7.
5K to go.
Yeah, come on, boys.
How you feeling, Chris?
Trash.
That's okay. You're fine, mate. I know you're fine.
One is
Going
going,
again,
Gaza.
going again, Gaza.
Go, 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 go.
Gaza.
Come on, Dessa.
Thank you, mate. Thank you.
Perfect.
That's really
Oh,
good.
nice.
That's really good. Oh, that's good. Go, go, Rick, go,
Okay,
Rick.
watch. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Let's
That's
go.
all right.
Last of them are pushing as well. Okay, he's off. Nice.
Go on.
That scared them right.
That's okay, Ben. Can you do it? Can you put the hurt on, Ben?
Ah,
Two going, so be careful.
Right.
One going, one
No,
going,
no.
one going.
Just sit on it. Sit on it. Sit on it.
Yeah.
You didn't want to do that, Ben.
I got dropped.
Yeah, you got this, guys.
Sorry.
It's okay. Keep it rolling, Martin. Keep it rolling. Let's go 4, Ben. Let's go 4. If you can, just 4, and then you'll catch him. You're in the draft.
Yeah.
Come on, mate. Come on. He doesn't want you there. He doesn't want you there.
just a bit slower on the downhill here. It gets flatter and then up. There you can push a bit harder. You get back
That's it,
right back up
Just
the hill.
roll in. Roll in there, yeah, go on. Yeah, see, you panicked then, Ben.
Okay, one seems to be going. Or no, sorry.
No.
Looked at the wrong guy.
Okay, Ben, we're going to have a little rise here, mate. That can't go to 4 seconds, Ben. All right.
Okay, back group. Looks like they're pushing a bit again. You'll just need to sit right in the group. Do not do any extra work. But it goes up now, so hang on. Keep pushing, Ben.
That's lovely, mate. Almost there, Ben. 200 metres, mate.
Try and give me as much as you can, gap gather.
I know.
Keep pushing on the flat here. He's a bit lighter than you, so you got better watts. You can do it.
Just keep it you can, Ben. Just doing what you can, all right? Don't look at him. Just do what you can.
Yep. Got 17 seconds on the back group here, so
Yeah.
just try to stay away.
For the rise, does.
You're all right, Ben.
Burrito at the back.
Yep. Push. He's going to the front. Okay, he's going.
Stay
He's
there,
going.
Ben. Listen
Chase
to the
him if
voice,
you can.
Ben. Just stay there. 3.7 if you can. It's not coming back. You're right. You're good. Keep it going. He's going to have to work really hard to bring 16 seconds back.
Okay, you think you might be dropping someone here? Keep pushing
Come on,
that, Chris. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, he's going hard. Push. He'll run right through. Go.
All the hard work done, Ben. Come on. Keep it up now.
Sorry guys, I can't.
Don't worry about nothing else. Just listen to me now. Well done, mate. Well done. Just watch us not bastard. Nice there. Keep it at 3 if you can. I know it's difficult. Keep it at 3 for me. Nice, well done. Another one now coming back. Good lad.
Okay, one Wilson is going. Shout at the back. Hang
Be
on.
aware, Dad.
Both of them are going. Yeah, go.
Wilson stop. Wilson's knocked it off.
Just sit on. Save it for the finish.
Well done, Ben. That was strong, mate, at the end. Well done.
Yep. I can see the finish, but yeah, go when you need to go.
Yeah, I can't see the finish line either. So.
Okay, burrito. One sprint, sprint. Let's go for it.
Prickle's going. Come on, Dazza.
Oh, you got this. Push Dessa.
He says, come on, I'm looking, mate. Here you go.
Keep pushing. Go Chris. Go Dessa.
Keep
Yep.
I'm sorry guys, I didn't get the leg today.
It's alright. You have to.
Yeah,
Breathing.
guys.
Here,
Get the
here,
heart rate
so
under
hard.
control.
guys. Okay. Guys,
That was a great effort, everyone.
Thank you for your support.
guys,
So helpful.
listen, it's okay. It's alright, you all did